Hello friends, today we're at Guangzhou Design Week. Let's see what's trending today and of course visit the showrooms of trusted factories. Look at this excitement. The line stretches for about 300 meters, some of the pavilions. Everyone wants to work with the best companies, everyone wants to find their place in the sun. What I always love about exhibitions in China is their scale. For example, this isn't even the most famous or largest exhibition, but still, it attracts 500,000 visitors and has 1,000 booths. Just imagine the scale. Right now, we're at the booth of our partner, whom we've been working with for over 5 years. They've just released a new collection, and I want to show you this sofa. It's huge in gray and brown tones. What I like here, in general, is the backrest. It's not as low as what's currently trending. It's a bit higher and it provides good back support. Because of that, in my opinion, you can consider this sofa to be homey. Take a look, this is the collection. Here's an ottoman like this, with these interesting dangling cords, which might remind you of some retro furniture. There are some interesting cabinets. Here's an example of one of those options. Personally, I really like it. Here, it's not just, say, a wine cabinet for someone. When you open it, the lighting turns on, and there are various drawers here, including some pull-out drawers and storage space as well. Specifically for bottles, they make interesting, colorful dressers and unique coffee tables. Look at the architecture here. They've used inserts of natural marble, and here, natural wood. Just look at how beautiful it is. It seems to be polished travertine. Absolutely gorgeous. I really love travertine, and it's a very complex, finicky material to work with. It always pairs beautifully with dark wood, so elegant. Look at the legs made from natural dark wood, just stunningly beautiful.
The furniture you see at this exhibition is from our La Yute Life collection. It represents a blend of French and Chinese romanticism. This line appeared quite recently, about 6 months ago. We launched it to meet market demand because over the past 2 years, this style has become quite popular and designers really like it.
You could say that the previous exhibition was like a scaled-down version of CFF. There were a lot of furniture exhibits, many new collections, and mostly furniture stands. This year, however, I see that the focus has shifted more towards networking and communication.
Our original collections are the result of producing many replicas and, as a consequence, studying them. We take the best from the originals, the quality of craftsmanship, the best proportions and details, and then we combine that with current aesthetic trends to create our own designs. Right now, we already have 3 original series and 3 series of replicas. We also invite designers from Italy and Spain to work with us.
I know that some clients aren't looking for replicas. They want to create something more unique. Here's an example of how you can simply take a ready-made product from the factory that hasn't been copied. It was created here, specifically in collaboration with international designers, or entirely with Chinese designers. Of course, these cushions always make me laugh because you see them at Baxter and other brands as well. In fact, the cushions don't serve any real purpose, and it's kind of strange. You can just toss them around and they flop about. You could say they just lie there, but many brands keep making them anyway. They also introduced an interesting new armchair made of suede, with metal elements used as well. It's upholstered in such a beautiful fabric, the chair swivels and reclines, and actually it's quite comfortable and pleasant to sit in. Friends, right now we're in the pavilion of the largest manufacturer of upholstery fabrics, which is used by practically, I don't know, at least 50 to 60% of factories. We have absolutely massive collections from this particular manufacturer in our office. The fabrics are of very high quality, and as usual, what's the main highlight? They deliver the best possible quality, while the price is significantly lower than European counterparts. Right now I'm sitting on an original Fendi sofa, and right across from me is a sofa from the factory. I took a look, and the only difference is the fabric. Specifically, the shade of this stripe is a bit different. This is especially for the skeptics who still think that Italian sofas are made only by Italian craftsmen. The Italians have long since moved here, and as they say, they make sofas for Italy during the day shift and for the rest of the world during the evening or night shift. At the same time, the price difference is just astonishing. It can be 3 to 10 times cheaper. And now I want to jump over, right onto the neighboring sofa. Everything matches exactly with the sofa that's across from it. Trade shows in China are always a vibrant and interesting event. But how do you avoid getting lost among so many suppliers? How do you choose the right one, the one you really need? A company like ours helps you find exactly the furniture of your dreams, furniture for your projects, because we vet suppliers and know how to work with them. Because appearances can be deceiving, you never know what quality they will actually produce, what the final result will be. We, on the other hand, control every stage from the moment of selection all the way to delivery to you. So, follow the links below. Our managers will select all the furniture you need, tailored just for you. We offer the most personalized approach possible. Friends, so are we wrapping up? Leave your comments. Let us know how much you enjoyed this episode. We'll make more like this, especially if we see you're giving us more likes. And in general, there's a lot of exciting stuff ahead, so let's stay in touch. Bye, everyone.